Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, your dreams and desires waiting on the distant horizon. Now, what if I told you there's a boat capable of taking you there, and the ticket in your hand is stamped with a single question? Are you ready to discover the one thing that can transform your life and bring all your dreams within reach? Let's start on this journey together, navigating through the waves of doubt and the winds of change, towards a future where anything you want can become your reality. Chapter 1: The Power of Clarity. In the pursuit of any aspiration, clarity stands as the bedrock upon which success is built. It is the beacon that guides us through the fog of uncertainty and the compass by which we navigate the vast sea of possibilities. To achieve what you desire, you must first possess an unambiguous understanding of your destination. These parts look into the essence of defining your goals with precision and purpose. Clarity is not merely about identifying what you want, it's about understanding why you want it and how it aligns with your deeper values and life vision. It requires introspection and honesty, peeling away the layers of superficial desires to reveal the core aspirations that truly resonate with your soul. This process is akin to sculpting, where each stroke serves to reveal the masterpiece hidden within the block of marble. We will introduce methodologies to crystallize your objectives, transforming nebulous dreams into tangible targets. Through exercises designed to refine your vision, you will learn to articulate your goals with specificity, enabling you to focus your efforts and resources efficiently. This section lays the foundation for your journey towards attainment, ensuring that every step you take is aligned with your ultimate purpose. Grab the power of clarity, for it is the first step in transforming the invisible into the visible. Chapter 2: The Art of Believing. At the heart of every endeavor, belief acts as the lifeblood that sustains momentum and fuels perseverance. This section explores the transformative power of belief, the force that turns the intangible into tangible and dreams into realities. Belief is not just about confidence in your abilities. It's a profound conviction in the inevitability of your success, a certainty that resonates through every fiber of your being. We look into the science and psychology behind belief, illustrating how a strong belief system can alter perceptions, influence actions, and shape outcomes. You'll discover strategies to fortify your belief, even in the face of adversity, turning doubts into stepping stones towards your goal. Through inspiring anecdotes and empirical evidence, this part will illuminate the symbiotic relationship between belief and action. You'll learn how to cultivate a mindset that takes challenges as opportunities for growth, fostering a resilience that is unshakable. Chapter 3: The Strategy of Planning. Starting on the path to your aspirations without a plan is akin to setting sail without a map. This part underscores the critical importance of strategic planning in the quest for success. Planning is the bridge that connects the realm of dreams to the reality of achievement, transforming vision into actionable steps. A well-crafted plan serves as your roadmap, delineating the route from where you are to where you intend to be. It breaks down the monumental into manageable milestones, making the journey less daunting and more attainable. Through the meticulous process of planning, you will learn to anticipate challenges, allocate resources wisely, and set realistic timeframes. The essence of effective planning lies in its specificity and adaptability. It requires setting clear, measurable objectives and continuously refining your approach based on feedback and evolving circumstances. This dynamic process ensures that your plan remains relevant and aligned with your goals. The discipline of execution. When you are into the discipline of execution, we explore the quintessential element that transforms well-laid plans into tangible outcomes. Execution is the engine of progress, the dynamic force that breathes life into your aspirations. It is through consistent, focused action that the blueprint of your dreams begins to materialize in the world of reality. Mastering execution requires a steadfast commitment to your goals, coupled with the resilience to persevere through challenges and setbacks. It demands a balance between unwavering persistence and the flexibility to adapt strategies as needed. This section emphasizes the importance of setting actionable tasks, prioritizing efforts, and maintaining momentum through regular review and adjustment. The key to effective execution lies in cultivating habits that support your objectives, fostering an environment conducive to productivity, and leveraging time management techniques to maximize efficiency. It's about making every action count, ensuring that each step taken is a deliberate move towards your desired destination. When you engage with the insights presented, you will be equipped with the tools and methodologies necessary to bring your plans to fruition. The discipline of execution is not just about doing, but doing with intention and excellence, paving the way for the realization of your ambitions with unwavering determination and precision. Chapter 5: The Wisdom of Adaptability. Adaptability is a critical talent in the pursuit of realizing your goals, much like sailing in unknown waters. This segment studies the wisdom of adaptability, highlighting its significance as a catalyst for growth and a buffer against the inevitable vicissitudes of any endeavor. Adaptability isn't merely about reacting to changes. It's about proactively embracing transformation, viewing each new challenge as an opportunity to refine and evolve your strategies. The essence of adaptability lies in the keen awareness of one's environment and the agility to pivot when circumstances demand. It involves a continuous cycle of learning, unlearning, and relearning, ensuring that your approach remains both current and effective. This dynamic process allows you to maintain alignment with your goals, even as you navigate the complexities and uncertainties that accompany any path to achievement. Cultivating adaptability requires a mindset that values flexibility over rigidity, curiosity over complacency, and resilience over resignation. It's about fostering an openness to new ideas and perspectives, while maintaining the core vision that guides your journey. By embedding adaptability into your strategy, you ensure that your path to success is not just rigidly defined, but fluid, capable of navigating around obstacles and seizing emerging opportunities with grace and acumen. Chapter 6: The Power of Networking. When we explore the principles of adaptability, you will be equipped with the strategies to turn uncertainty into a strategic advantage, ensuring that your journey towards your goals is both resilient and responsive to the ever-changing landscape of possibilities. Reaching your objectives is not a lonely journey. The sixth part focuses on the power of networking, an indispensable facet of any successful endeavor. Networking, in its essence, is about forging meaningful connections and cultivating relationships that are mutually beneficial. It's an art that combines the grace of genuine interaction with the strategic intent of collaboration. Understanding the intricacies of networking involves recognizing the value each connection brings and the synergies that can arise from diverse collaborations. It's about building bridges between your aspirations and the expertise, experience, and encouragement of others. Effective networking is characterized by authenticity, where interactions are driven by a genuine interest in mutual growth rather than transactional exchanges. This part emphasizes the importance of being a proactive participant in your network, offering value, and being open to receiving it in return. It's about creating a vibrant ecosystem around your goals, where ideas, resources, and support flow freely, enriching your journey and amplifying your impact. When we look into the nuances of networking, you'll discover strategies to identify and engage with key individuals and communities that align with your vision. You'll learn how to nurture these relationships over time, transforming connections into valuable partnerships that propel you closer to your aspirations. The power of networking lies not just in the quantity of connections, but in the quality of relationships that support and sustain your journey toward success. Chapter 7: The Secret of Gratitude and Giving Back. When we journey closer to the realization of our dreams, it becomes imperative to recognize the profound impact of gratitude and giving back. This part illuminates the dual force of gratitude and philanthropy as not just noble virtues, but essential components of a fulfilling path to success. Gratitude is the lens through which we can view our journey and achievements in a light that amplifies joy and satisfaction. It is about acknowledging every experience, every challenge, and every person who has been a part of your journey, appreciating their role in your growth and success. This sense of gratitude enriches your journey, making it not just about the destination, but about the beauty and learning along the way. Simultaneously, the act of giving back adds a layer of depth to your success. It transforms personal achievement into a collective advancement, creating ripples of positive change that extend far beyond individual goals. Giving back is about leveraging your success to empower others, whether through knowledge, resources, or inspiration, fostering a cycle of growth and generosity. This part invites you to grab gratitude and giving back as integral parts of your journey. It encourages you to reflect on your achievements with a heart full of gratitude and to look for opportunities to make a difference in the lives of others. In doing so, you not only enrich your own path, but also light the way for others, making the journey toward success a shared and more meaningful experience for all. Conclusion: I hope the insights and strategies shared have illuminated your path towards achieving your dreams. Remember, the journey to success is as rich and varied as the tapestry of human experience itself, woven with threads of determination, adaptability, and a deep-seated belief in one's own potential. I invite you to reflect on these principles, integrate them into your journey, and share your thoughts and experiences with us. Your insights and stories are the fuel that keeps this conversation alive and vibrant. So, I encourage you to comment below, share your journey, your challenges, and your victories. Together, let's continue to inspire and uplift each other, building a community of dreamers and doers united in our pursuit of turning aspirations into reality. Your voice is a vital part of this ongoing narrative, and I look forward to hearing from you.